guys, my name is Mary Stuart Noel. I am the owner and founder of Untitled Chapter LLC. I am making this video because I want to thank everybody who tunes in to my YouTube channel, who have subscribed. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So I'm making this video because I want to tell you I make the videos of my own accord and I share them with you. It's based on what people are requesting, or if I'm doing a certain task and I think a lot of my colleagues, they could benefit from a lot of tips and tricks that I have picked up in the past couple of years. I go ahead and I record them and I share them with you. Now, the reason why I'm making these videos particularly, it's because if you feel like there are a lot of subjects on my YouTube videos that you need more elaboration on, or you have more questions, or you think you could benefit more of a one-on-one informational session, my email address is bostonchairs@gmail.com. My phone number is 508-417-8336. Go ahead and send me a text or an email. Send me a list of questions that you have. And I charge $29.95 for 30 minutes to talk, to go over your questions, provide you answers that are written. That's why I need your questions ahead of time so that I can type up a report of the answers for you and send them to you. If you need more time, 55 minutes, I charge $45.95 for 55 minutes. So again, send me a list of your questions. I will go ahead and I will send you a link to my calendar. You should be able to choose a time so that we can meet, and I'll answer your questions and send you the answers in writing. So this is Marie Stuart Noel, owner of Untitled Chapter LLC. I have been doing the throne chair business for now 2 years. I've sold chairs. I also rent chairs. I know how to transport them, clean them, how to move them around even with one person. And I feel that I have a good enough experience in this field that if you enjoy my videos and you trust my opinion and my experience, definitely reach out to me and let's make an appointment and do an informational session. Thank you. Have a good one, guys. Bye.